RedMagic just released the Bumblebee edition of their new RedMagic 9 Pro. Remember that RedMagic, generation after generation, tends to release this type of special editions with a fully customized back cover, and even in the box, they will also send you some special accessories personalized with Bumblebee. So the modifications are specifically at an aesthetic level and at the level of accessories and packaging, but in the remaining features, it is exactly the same. That is to say, it has the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3, 8, 12 or even 16 GB of RAM, 128, 256 or even 512 GB of storage, a main camera of 50 megapixels, just like the ultra-wide, and finally a 2 megapixel macro camera, a 16 megapixel selfie camera with a 6500 mAh battery and 80W fast charging. If you didn't know, we already have the complete review of the RedMagic 9 Pro for you to check out because, like I said, it's exactly the same as the Bumblebee edition, with the only difference being the design.